Hey guys, so here's the hyperbolas. So what we want to do is again find the center. And we have these dots already, so let's count. Oops, forgot my glasses. How about that? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Half of 10 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's my center. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and just do it right here. So center was 3 and -2. This right here is my B. We said it was 5 and it was horizontal, so X. Here's my A. A always touches the graph. 1, 2, 3. So 3, and it's Y, and A. So remember here, A is always first. So it's Y. So Y is going to go first. So Y plus 2 squared over 3 squared minus, remember hyperbolas are minus, X minus 3 squared over 5 squared equals 1. Okay, so we already have our covertices right here. So let's go ahead and get those. -2, -2. And 8, -2. The vertices here was 1, ooh, darn, how about 3, 1, and 1, 2, 3, yep, 3, -5. Okay, now the focus. We already know our A and B. So C squared equals A squared B squared. Because a hyperbola has a minus, this is a plus. Okay, so C squared equals 3 squared plus 5 squared. Okay, 25 plus 9. So C squared equals 34. So roughly, what's the square root of 34? 5.8. And remember, that is going to be the same value as A. Now I know what you're thinking, it's going to be above, but that's okay, because remember our parabolas go up, so our focus has to be in the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.8. So here we go. So we get 3 and 3.8, and 3 and -7.8. Okay, yoo-hoo. So here we go, center. We can pick that out quite lovely. Ooh, be careful, X is second. So that would be what? -1, -3. Hyperbola, so A is first. So A is the square root of 81, which is 9, and it's under Y. B is going to be the square root of 144, which is 12, and that's under X. So let me get some paper. Okay, so for number 13, we're going to graph it. -1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so Y is 9, so we're going to go up and down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be -1 and 6. Okay, now down 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So that would be -1, -12. Okay, so what I'm just doing here is I'm writing these points. Okay. Now we're going to go 12 left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oops, off a little bit. So that's going to be 11 and -1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's going to be -13 and -1. Okay, so let's find our C squared. So a squared plus b squared. So c squared equals 9 squared plus 12 squared. So 144 plus 81 is 225. So c squared equals 225. Take the square root, and c equals 15. Okay. Okay, I love y'all, and I'm not counting to 15. Oh wait, hold on. I made a mistake. We got to go up 15. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So that would be making sure I did the right thing. I did forget to put this dot here, didn't I? Awkward. Okay, so that would be negative 1 and 12. So 1, okay, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that would be negative 1 and negative 18. Okay. Now, last but not least, we're going to write this equation here with the vertices. Let me just use paper. I was going to try to do it, but no, let's not. Okay, so here we go. Number 14. So 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, oops, wrong way. 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So from dot to dot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Half of 8 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So by the way, from here to here is 4, and that's my A value, because it's vertices, if you're asking, and that was Y. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3. So my center is at 3 and negative 3. Okay. Now, it talks about conjugate. Remember, conjugate and co-vertices give us our B value. Okay, I lost my spot. So negative 8, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. And if we just do here, count from here, center dot to over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So from here to here, B is 11, and it'll be X. Okay, let's write our equation. Here we go. A comes first. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put my A in here, which is 4 squared, and it was a Y, minus X squared over 11 squared equals 1. So that would be plus 3 minus 3. Ooh, that was fun. Okay, we have one more section, parabolas, and I'll see you in a jiffy.